I have the Google Pixel tablet, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to charge this tablet. Now, there are two main ways of charging the tablet. The first way of charging the tablet is by using the dock that comes in the box. So just make sure your dock is connected to power. That's the first thing, via this cable that comes in the box. So connect the other end to power. Make sure the dock is connected. And as long as the dock is connected, anytime you mount your tablet onto the dock like that, it starts charging immediately. Okay, so as soon as it's properly connected, it should charge. You can see the charging indicator right there, so it means it's charging right now. The other way of charging your tablet, you can even charge it without the dock. You can charge your tablet using the Type-C port on the left hand side. Okay, so there's a Type-C port there, and if you take a Type-C cable, it could be Type-C to Type-C or Type-C to Type-A, as long as the end that enters your tablet is Type-C, and connect the other end to a power source. And then as soon as you plug in your Type-C cable, you can actually charge your Pixel tablet. Now, I have a very interesting cable here that actually reads the wattage, and it shows me my tablet is charging at about 19 to 20 watts, and you can see the indication there that it's charging. So these are the two main ways of charging your Google Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck. Now, if you like this cable, then I'll also leave it linked in the description below. Good luck.